In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite students to Google Classroom. We'll move from the Google homepage all the way to sending an invitation, and I'll point out helpful details so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Google in your web browser and make sure you're signed in with the correct account, ideally your school or organization account. This matters because permissions in Classroom often depend on your domain. At the top right, click the Google Apps icon, the grid of 9 dots, and open Classroom. If you don't see it right away, it may be tucked lower in the menu. You can scroll to find it. Once Classroom opens, you'll see your class cards. Click the class you want to work with. In the example, it's a sample class, but choose the actual class where you're the teacher. Inside the class, look along the top for the People tab. This is where you manage teachers and students. Click People to open the roster. You'll see sections for teachers and students. To invite learners, click Invite Students. A dialog will appear where you can add people by email. If your school uses a managed domain, you'll often see suggestions as you type. Click a suggested address to select it, or type the full email address if you know it. You can add more than one student in this box before sending the invite. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct accounts. This helps avoid bounced invitations or access issues. After selecting the email or emails, you can send the invitation so it lands in the student's inbox. They'll show as invited in the roster until they accept, and once they do, their status changes to enrolled. If a student can't find the email, or you prefer to share access another way, use the copy invite link option in the same invite window. This generates a secure link you can paste into your LMS, a class message, or a trusted communication channel. Keep in mind that domain rules still apply, so only eligible accounts will be able to join with that link. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If a student says they can't join, double check that you invited the right email and that they're signed into the correct Google account in their browser. Also, if you manage multiple classes, repeat these same steps in each class where you need to add students. That's it. You've opened Classroom, navigated to People, invited students by email, and copied the invite link for easy sharing. You're ready to get your class roster set up and start teaching.